Namaskar and welcome. I Yatharth Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting you the top news of the last 24 hours. In Uttarakhand, Yog Guru Ramdev and RSS Sarsanghchalak Dr. Mohan Bhagwat participated in Sannyas Diksha Mahotsav organized at Har Ki Pauli in Haridwar. A 23-year-old youth in Jahanabad of Bihar was chased and shot by the police for evading a vehicle check post near Anandpur village on March 28. The youth, identified as Sudhir Yadav, a resident of Korthu village of Nalanda, was then rushed to a private hospital by some locals where he is said to be battling for life. It is being learned that a police team has been deployed checking the vehicles near Anandpur village under Ghosi police station limits of Jahanabad, where Sudhir evaded the checking out of fear as he didn't have a driving license and helmet, following which the police team gave him a chase and shot him. In Madhya Pradesh, Vishwa Hindu Parishad members demand action against the conversion mafia active in Dabra. Recently, members of the Madhya Pradesh Child Commission, during their surprise inspection drive, found irregularities at the missionary school. Pakistan has threatened to boycott the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023, which would be hosted in India later this year, if the Board of Control of the Cricket in India did not permit the Men in Blue to compete in Asia Cup 2023, as per the source. According to the source, the Men in Green want to play their World Cup matches in Bangladesh or Sri Lanka. The World Cup 2023 is scheduled to be played in India in October and November this year. The ICC has not released the detailed schedule. Violent clashes broke out between two groups at Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Kiratpur area in Maharashtra on March 29. The attacker targeted unarmed Hindu youth preparing for Ram Navami procession at the Kedarpur Ram Mandir. The situation is now under control, but the police claimed a mob as many as 500 attacked them as well.
वीको वज्रदंती, शायद इसमें आपको टेस्ट का मज़ा नहीं मिलेगा, झाग का मज़ा नहीं मिलेगा. अब आप सोचेंगे तो मिलेगा क्या? असर कम प्रॉब्लम्स पर. इसकी 18 जड़ी बूटियाँ स्वोलन गम्स, ब्लीडिंग गम्स जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स को रखे दूर और दांतों को रखे हेल्दी. मज़ा नहीं, असर. अब पेस्ट है, पिक्चर का टिकट थोड़ी. वीको वज्रदंती, इंडिया का गम एक्सपर्ट. मजेदार नहीं, असरदार.
In November 2022, Akshay Gaur, a resident of Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh, did Ghar Wapsi through Shuddhi and embraced Hindutva. He did this after lodging a complaint against the cleric Aminuddin Qadri, who converted him to Islam. Now, almost after 4 months, the cleric and LMs are issuing death threat against him, saying he should withdraw his complaint. As per the FIR in June 2022, while he was worried about his career, he left home and reached a place called Nachgun, 8 kilometers from Khandwa. There he met a man who introduced himself as Aminuddin Qadri. Within no time, he began telling Akshay about Islam and asked him to come out to the mosque. Some days later, Akshay visited the mosque where Qadri told him about Islam. Throughout, he was telling him about how bad is Sanatan Dharma and idols worship is wrong. He said that Sanatan is a religion of idiots. According to a Pakistani newspaper, Express Tribune, station house officer Kabil Bhayo of Khanpur police station was suspended after he tortured, harassed and manhandled and arrested Hindu shopkeepers for allegedly violating the Ramzan ordinance by eating. Therefore, the report said in the video that went viral on social media, the police officer was seen roaming at the Gotki district with a stick in his hand, using it to hit shopkeepers, including Hindu men who were reportedly preparing biryani for delivery orders in the local market. Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan announced the latest merger of the militant group led by the Abu Farfayadi of the Peshawar adjacent Bara sub-district of Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. This is the fourth militant group that has joined TTP in March and the 27th since July 2020. Imtiaz Moin and two others abducted two minor girls from their house, saying will return them back in 12 hours on March 11 in Uttar Pradesh. Almost after a week, the girls were recovered from Telangana safely by the police team. On returning home, the girl told Organizer Weekly that Moin and Imtiaz wanted to have conversion nikah with. They made sexual relation with the minors against their will and have been booked under the section of Protection of Children in Sexual Offences Act. As per the victim's father, Kali Prasad, the accused Moin Ali, son of Hassan Ali, Imtiaz, son of Razak, Wasim alias Chotkaus, son of Musibat Ali, and Guja, son of Musibat Ali, abducted two of his daughters from their house on March 11. On March 25, members of Madhya Pradesh State Protection for Child Rights during a surprise inspection drive at a missionary school found illegal stuff from the principal's office. A FIR has been registered against the father of the school and further investigations are underway. The State Protection for the Child Rights member Nivedita Sharma went on a surprise visit at the St. Mary School on March 25. The inspection drive revealed that the principal had reserves of alcohol and contraceptive. After this, a FIR has been lodged. A father of 14-year-old boy gave a complaint to the Aligarh police alleging a cleric of the madrasa raped his son. The cleric, who is also a senior student of the madrasa, has been identified as Altmas Noman. The accused also threatened the minor boy. A case was registered at the Rorawar police station of the Aligarh district. Citing the seriousness of the matter, the police arrested the accused immediately. As per the superintendent of the police Aligarh, Kuldeep Singh Gudawat, the victim's father registered a complaint against the cleric Noman alleging sexual abuse. The minor underwent a detailed medical test and soon the accused was arrested. On March 30, Uttar Pradesh police booked the AIMIM leader Umza Parveen for offering prayers at the Husainganj metro station in the city, said the official. The matter came to light on March 29 after the AIMIM leader posted a picture offering prayers of a Twitter handle. Deputy Commissioner of the Police Central Zone Aparna Rajat Kaushik said that Uzma had falsely shown that the police of offering prayers to be the Vidhan Bhavan, which is misleading, just to create hype on social media, the official said. The Ministry of Defence has signed 3 contracts, 2 with Bharat Electronics Limited, Ghaziabad, and 1 with New Space India Limited at a total cost of nearby 5,400 crore to bolster the defence capabilities of the country. On March 29, Himachal Pradesh Kangra tea got a European Union geographical indication tag. European Union and India both lay strong emphasis on GI, attaching high importance to local food, maintaining local tradition and preserving and promoting rich cultural heritage. In Kolkata, Malda unit of Bengal STF arrested one person, namely Hakimul, and seized 4 country-made firearms from his possession. On interrogation, he revealed that he collected the firearms from the outside for selling in Kaliachak area, Bengal STF informs. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.